Before we carry on, I need to express that the average age of this crowd is probably about 32, yeah? So, anyways. That's no problem, mate. Andy. Carlos! Carl! Boom! Carl! Carlos! Hey! Carl, before we take this photograph.
Where'd you be? And I told you where it was. Where?
Damo!
Get one out of the fridge, sir. Can you get yourself one? I've just been out with time.
It's going for a big.
Oh, I'm gonna smash
you. No, I've already seen it.
So baby, if you want me.
I don't get it.
You don't like it, that?
Scrabble.
Are we videoing or fucking literally?
Videoing. Get the fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here, man. This is gonna be so boring when we watch it back.
We're gonna put Gigolo right now.
Yeah, Gigolo.
Gigolo got to do.
Here we have live fridge magnets. This is being recorded live, by the way. Someone's going to pay for this on eBay.
Is that a Gigolo?
Gigolo indeed.
Double L. Cheers.
Hang on, we've got 4play, 69er, Arsenal, Dick, DJ Queen, DJ Queen Andy, Labia, Penis, Tit.
4play, 69er, Arsenal, Dick.
Before we carry on, I need to express that the average age of this crowd is probably about 32, yeah? So, anyway.
It's a 3-man game.
Gigolo.
By the way. Excuse me, one second.
Damo's gonna speak. Go, dude.
Andy, come here, one second.
I'm not finished yet.
Andy, this is, by the way, BJ Queen, Andy.
BJ Queen, Andy, is that you?
Yeah, that's me.
Andy,
BJ Queen Andy. We're just gonna finish off with one more thing now.
Absolutely, take your time, dude.
D-A.
Oh, I can see where this is going.
Don't use all the letters.
Use a W. Turn a W upside down.
Oh my God.
Oh, fridge magic. Oh, this is fridge magic. Oh, this is madness.
Oh,
Damo, you are a gigolo. Damo, you officially have sex with men. How do you feel?
Fuck, I feel fantastic, but I'm not fucking happy about that.
About having sex with men or the fridge magnets? Which, tell me.
Fridge magnets, fridge magnets.
Oh, come on, having sex with men is so good. Fridge magnets are not. Fridge magnets are bad.
Oh, don't take the magnets.
Anyway, what's your story?
You're not in the game.
Are you devastated that you're not involved in the fridge magnet thing?
Yeah.
Are you devastated?
I can't say more than you.
Gaz, you're not involved. You've not got your name on there. Our penis is on there.
Come on, give us a fucking smile, for fuck's sake. Get them fucking white pills out. Come on, you call it, don't you? Call it.
Damo is officially a gigolo.
Oh, mate, I'm filming you.
What are you filming? Hi, Mum.
That's enough. I get clear over there. Nice.